Hello everyone, so in today's video I'm going to explain about what is persona in character AI. In character AI, a persona is like the personality of an AI character. Imagine you're creating a character for a story or a game. You think about how they talk, how they act, and what their goals are. That's basically what a persona is. It's the set of characteristics that define how the AI behaves and interacts with you. Now, why does this matter? So, the persona makes the AI feel more realistic and relatable. When an AI has a well defined persona, it's easier for you to connect with, whether it's funny, serious, friendly, or even a little mysterious. The persona shapes your entire experience with the character. Creating a persona for character AI is all about deciding who your character is. What's their background? How do they speak? What's their attitude like? Once you've got that down, the AI will use that persona to interact with you in a way that matches the character you imagined. So, to recap, a persona in AI is the personality or the character traits of an AI. It's what makes interactions with AI feel natural and fun. If you're into creating your own characters or just want to understand AI better, getting the persona is the right key. So I think that's pretty much for it. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.